How to change payment method on Amazon Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To change a payment method on Amazon Prime Video, firstly you can launch a preferred browser in your device and search for Amazon Prime. Or if you already have your Prime application, go ahead and launch it in your device. Make sure to log in into your account. To update your payment setting, navigate to Manage Your Content and Devices option. From there, you need to click on the Preferences option. Tap on Digital Payment Settings under Edit Payment Method. Select a different payment method from the list or add a new one and click on Continue. If you're adding a brand new credit card, you will need to add your credit card credential such as the credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. If you are adding any of the payment applications such as PayPal, Afterpay, Klarna, or Google Pay, you will have to log in into those payment accounts. So by this way, you'll be able to change your payment method on Amazon Prime Video. And it is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.